Welcome to Modern Interior Design Essentials, where we transform spaces through minimalist principles and thoughtful design choices. Color theory forms the foundation of any well-designed space. Let's explore how to create harmonious color palettes that enhance your environment. Space planning is about creating flow and balance. These fundamental principles guide furniture placement for optimal functionality. Sustainable design isn't just about ethics. It's about creating spaces that feel authentic and connected to nature. Lighting transforms spaces dramatically. Understanding light placement and temperature creates the perfect ambiance. Smart storage solutions maintain minimalist aesthetics while maximizing functionality in your space. Acoustic design affects how we experience spaces. Let's explore materials and arrangements that create optimal sound environments. Your space should adapt to changing natural light, creating different moods throughout the day while maintaining functionality.